Hello students, welcome to Kerala Memorial CBSE School, Kudu. This is your first standards English class. I am your Akshata Miss. Okay students, in last class we came to know about the new words of the rhyme, that is I am a teapot. So students, I have made you hear the rhyme also. I hope you are doing well at your home. So open your book, page number 20. Page number 20. So students, in this class we will come to know about the what is this teapot. So let us read it once. I am a little teapot, short and stout. So we all have seen little teapots. So students, this is the little teapot. So this one is the teapot. So students, this how it is. It is very little and stuffed. So stuff in the sense fat. So little and stuffed. So like that. Here the teapot it is talking. So like how it is. So the teapot it is talking that how the little pot it is. So how it is? Have you seen the little teapot? Yes, all of we have seen it. Yes, of course we have all seen that little teapot. So how it is? The little pot it is small and short and stuffed. So see, I will make you show that. I will show you. One second, I will show you that how the little teapot. So see here, this is the little teapot. So this one is the little teapot. So how it is? It is small and stuffed. It is small and thick. Yes, small and thick. So what it says? See here, this little teapot. How it is? It is small and thick. So small and short. So see here, here it again tells that here is my handle, here is my stout. See students, here I will show you, I will show you how it shows, how the little pot it shows its handle and its spout. See here, how it is. See, once again, I am a little tea. So once again, I am a little teapot, short and stuffed. Here is my handle, here is my stout. So here is my, so this one is the handle, this one is the handle and it is the stout. So stout how it is, stout how it is thick. So it is very thick, stout it has. So here it tells us that here is my handle, here is my stout. So it is talking about itself. So now let us see. I see the teacups and began to stout. So when it sees the teacup, so where you put the tea? From teapot, where you put the tea? To the cup. So now when little short stout teapot it sees the cup, what it does? Cups, I began to shout. So when it sees the cup, that little teapot it starts shouting. Why it starts shouting? Why? Because it wanted to pour the tea in that cup. So see here, tip me up and pour me out. So it says, the little teapot it says that bring it up, take it up and pour it in the teapot. So see, I will make you sure, I will show you that how it shouts. So how it shouts, I will show you. See, can you see it? See here. See, it's showing its handle and stuff, and when it sees the little tea cup, then it shouts. See here, that shouts and take it up and pour the tea in it and serve to others. So like this it says something about itself. Once again I will show you. See here how it says. So like that you have to do it. Okay. See. See this little pot, it's showing its little and stuff, and its handle, it's stout, and when it sees the teacup, then it shouts, it starts shouting. See here the shouting of the teapot, and it wants to pour tea in the cups. So it says that it is a little tea pot, and it is how it is short and stuff, and its handle, this is its handle, and this is its stout. So stout, how it is, how the stout it is stout, it is thick. So for that it is little and thick. So when it sees the teacup, so teacup is used for drinking the tea. So when it is used for drinking tea, when the teapot sees the teacup, then it starts to shouting. It starts to shouting that to take it up, to take that little teapot up and pour the tea into the little tea cup. So this is our rhyming. So students, here they have given some activity. So what you have to do, you have to draw here a teapot and a cup. So they have given here in the textbook, they have given already, they have given a little teapot and a little cup. So you have to draw, you have to paint it, sorry, you have to color this little teapot, and you have to color this tea cup also. So in your fair book you have to draw a little teapot and a little cup. So like that is, like this you have to draw in your fair book, and you have to write this poem. So let you draw this in your fair book. So what you have to do, students, you have to back, you have to learn how to speak, how to sing this rhyme, and you have to, in your home, in your fair, you have to write, you have to draw this picture and this teapot picture, and you have to draw this little tea cup also, and not only drawing, you have to paint it. So paint it beautifully and sing it in your home. Okay, so make a video and send it to me. Okay, so here we came to do that little cup, little teapot, how it talk. So how it is little teapot, it is short and stuff in the sense straw, and here the little cup, it has a little teapot, it has one handle to hold it and one stuff to pour the tea to the tea cup. And when the little tea cup pot, it sees the little tea cup, then it starts to shouting that to pour the tea in that little tea cup. So here how it works we came to know. So we all have seen the little tea pot. So in our homes or in somewhere else we have seen. So students, you have to draw that little teapot and a little tea cup. So students, you came to know about the little teapot. So in next class we will start grammar. So here we have ended with one rhyming. So in next class what we will do, we will start grammar. First topic of your second term, that is grammar, that is describing words. So that we will start it in our next class. So here in this class we can learn about the teapot. See students, you have to draw the little tea cup. I will just try to draw it. My drawing is not good as you, so I will try to draw it, and you have to try it in the home. So let me try it in the classroom. teacups, you can see the designs. So you can also make the draw the designs. Okay. So this is the handle of the teacup. So teacup. This is the teacup. So in this one we pour the what we pour? We pour tea. So in the little what we have to draw here. We have to draw a little teapot. So this one is just I'm trying to draw it. So just this one is the handle of the little teapot. So this is the handle of the little teapot, and this is the little teapot. So I am not good at drawing. So if I want to do all, you all will draw it well. So here you have to draw it. Here the little teapot is talking now. So you have to draw it as a human being. So as you have to draw the eyes and so you have to draw it like this. So not exactly like this. How you will come to know like that you have to draw. So like that you have to draw it in a hole. So I want to it is filled with the tea and here from here you will serve the tea and here in this cup you will have tea. So that is how to draw it. So you came to know about the little teapot here, students. So in next class we will start the grammar type topic, that is describing words. Adjectives we will start in the next class. So you have to draw it in your home today and you have to send it to me. Okay. So in next class we will meet again.